Let's see how to hide apps on iPad 10 generation. In the first step, open Settings. Next, choose Screen Time. After that, press Content and Privacy Restrictions. In the next step, turn on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now select Allowed Apps, then switch off the apps to make them disappear. In the next step, open Settings, then select Home Screen and Dock. Later, set newly downloaded apps to App Library only. In the next step, tap and hold the app on the home screen. Later, choose Remove App. After that, pick Remove from home screen. In the next step, launch the App Store. Next, click on your profile icon. Later, enter purchased and hide apps from the list. You are good to go.